Hi there. In this how-to video, I'm going to show you as an administrator how to update verification of competency or VoC of your employees. This includes logging accrued hours and tracking overall completion. First, let's head on over to our employee that we want to track their competency on. In this case, we're going to use Emma. In our previous video, we had created an asset role and assigned it to Emma, which is why we can see in this VoC tab here that she has some data. You'll notice that we have what's our parent skill for the dozer, and that it is also stating that she has 0 of 4 completed. Let's click the drop down arrow and see what it shows us. Here it's highlighting our child skills, and it's letting us know what's completed, and on the hours one it's saying how many hours she's actually completed. Let's open up the parent skill. Notice how it is all grayed out. The reason for this is because you aren't able to edit this window until all of the child skills have been completed. So let's update some of these skills because Emma's done a few hours on her logbook. So we're going to head over here to hours. You'll notice that this detail screen is grayed out. That's because this skill is set as hours. And we're going to add some hours in. So you'll see we've got the date, details, hours completed, and it's also possible to add attachments. So any proof of evidence and anything else related to this skill can be dropped and dragged into here or attached. And we're going to click Save. Now notice that it says 5 of 20 hours complete. Let's go and have a look on the other screen what it looks like. See how it's now showing up that she has completed 5 of 20 hours? Let's also update this one here and say that it's been completed as of today. And we'll see what happens on the other screen. If you have all of this information, you are welcome to fill it out. For the purpose of today though, we're just going to fill out the bare minimum and click Save. Notice now how it's starting to build that yes, she's completed some items. I'm just going to go through and complete the training so that you can see any of the changes that occur from this. Okay, so I said I'd jump in and just complete all of the child skills required for the VoC dozer. So as you can see, I went over before that this would say 20 out of 20 hours completed. I just wanted to show you on the details screen now, because that's completed, this is able to have been filled in, and it must be, you must pop in here and just fill in the necessary information, put it to complete, and then click Save. The other thing that you can do once someone has completed training is actually send them an SMS, just letting them know that it's done. Now it does come pre-populated. You can edit that if you want to and put other things in there and then send it off and just let them know that that training module is complete. Then once it's all done, it'll look like this, letting you know that that person has completed all of their VoC training. It's really that easy to update and monitor the VoC modules for your employees. Thanks for watching.